Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram, right? So I'm going to give you a different solution for it, so watch it till the end. So let's say I want to go to the Instagram, and here you have to just go to your selected ID, and after that you have to just go to your profile icon, which is on bottom right side corner, and make sure that you are in a business account, right? So I will just click on the professional dashboard, and after that it will show here that all the data which is related to me, right? So if I want to see the account inside, so click on this. So here you can see that I have the total followers here, and here you can see that in this last month who unfollowed me and who followed me, right? So let's say here it shows 00, but it's depend upon your account activity, right? So if I'll select the last 90 days and click on the update, and after that it will show you that the 6 people have followed me and 17 people have unfollowed me. And if you want to select a specific date, then you can just click on like this, and let's say here you can see this option October 19, and in this way October 6, and after that this is the way you can select that in this day this much people have followed me or unfollowed me. But you want to know a specific person, a specific ID, so actually that is not possible right now because Instagram has not gave this feature, but I will show you how you can do it. You have to go to the Play Store, and you have to download a third-party mobile application, that is Unfollow Instagram. And here you can see that these are the application. Let's say this one application which I have used, but you have to log in into this ID by entering your original Instagram ID and password, right? So it will show you that who person has followed me and who person has not following me, right? And it also shows that ghost followers and all that, who liked your post on every time but they don't follow you, and a lot more features. But the only thing is that I'm not sure that whether they give the security of not a hacking proof, because you have to enter your original ID and password. So it's up to you guys. If you want to know the specific ID or person, you can just download and install this mobile application. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like this video right now and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.